your party. Saturday I said I'm sorry. Sunday came and trashed me out again. I was only having fun, wasn't hurting anyone, and we all enjoyed the weekend for a change. I was stranded in the combat zone now, walked through Bedford style, only rode my motorcycle in the rain. And he told me not to drive, but I made it home alive. So he said the only proof that I'm insane. Well, you made me right, I made me crazy, but it just made me a lunatic you're looking for. Turn out the lights, don't try to save me. You made me wrong, for all I know, but you made me right. Remember how I found you there, alone in your electric chair. I told you dirty jokes until you smiled. You were lonely for a man. I said, take me as I am, and you might enjoy the madness for a while. Remember all the years you tried to find someone to satisfy you. I might be as crazy as you say. If I'm crazy, then it's true, and it's all because of you, and you wouldn't want me any other way. Well, you made me right, I made me crazy, but it just made me a lunatic you're looking for. It's too late to fight, it's too late to change me. You made me wrong, for all I know, but you made me right. We got Andre on guitar. And back to Elliot. You made me right, I made me crazy, but it just made me a lunatic you're looking for. It's too late to fight, it's too late to change me. You made me wrong, for all I know is you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right. You made me wrong, but you made me right.
Now this next song is the Billy Joel song that needs no introduction. Take it away, James, our very own piano man. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffled in. There's an old saxophone.
It was so easy living day by day, out of touch with the rhythm and
next couple of songs. So if you don't have a dance club here, you'd like to come join us, do it.
Listen, boy, I don't wanna see you let a good thing slip away.
Slip away, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Why
yeah.
can't anybody make the same mistakes I made? She's a real nice girl and she's always there for you. But a nice girl will tell you what to do. Listen, boy, I'm sure that you need to let it all under control. You don't want somebody telling you where to stay in someone's soul. You're a big boy now and you'll never let her go.
You never let her go.
That's just the kind of thing she ought to know. Sing along with that. Tell her about it. Tell her everything you feel. Give her every reason. She will say they are free. Tell her about it. Tell her all your crazy dreams. Let her know you get her. Let her know just what she needs. Now and then you get to worrying just because you haven't spoken for so long. Though you may not have done anything, but that thing in consolation when she's gone. Listen, boy, I'm sure that you think you got it all under control. So we're out here that you get from you could be the difference that it makes. She's a trusting soul and she's put her trust in you.
Yeah, she put her trust
So
in you.
girl, she'll tell you what to do. Here we go. Tell her about it. Tell her everything you feel. Give her every reason to accept they are for you. Tell her about it. Tell her
wonderful technicians here at the back of the room. Let's hear it for the technicians. And of course, this wonderful band. Let's hear it for our band.
Tell me it's time to come home.
see that some of them got in-ear monitors, some of them got headphones over their heads, and that's because fundamentally they're listening to a click track, which just basically goes. Imagine that in your ear for 45 minutes, and obviously that changes pace. And then they also have the option to listen to each other. And right now you can see Fausto on drums, he's nodding his head because he can hear me, as much as he probably doesn't want to hear me, you can hear me. So you can hear all of the mics, they can hear all of the vocals, they can hear each other, they can hear this click. And then they're also reading the music and playing. So can we just give these gentlemen another round of applause? I know we said we can't multitask, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, the night is still young. We have music up around the ship. We've got it in the Explorer Lounge. We've got it up at the lobby as well on deck number 4 and 5. And of course, tomorrow we do arrive into another port of call. But before that, we have a fantastic activity this evening called Guess the Animal Noise. Also known as karaoke. Thank you very much. He's been waiting to do that on so many things recently. I got on board about 3 weeks ago, and me and Fausto work together in a different company. We won't say who they're with, but he's been getting used to these things that I've been saying, and now he's adding all of these little gags in. It's so good. So yeah, if you are a fan of Guess the Albatross, also known as ABBA. Then you can. I'm joking. If you are fancying a bit of karaoke, that is happening over in the Astern Lounge tonight as well. Then followed by disco by DJ Glenn. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we arrive into Belize, and tomorrow's a little bit of a different operation. So we will be utilising local tenders to take you from the ship over to the shore. And that means 2 different